Hello everybody. So I got a nice hot pot of boiling water. We're gonna do some soft boiled eggs to make Ajitsuke Tamago, which is the soft boiled egg that goes in the ramen. So we're gonna check the water, make sure it's at least 190. So we're at 192, it's looking good. I've poked one hole on the bottom of each of these to allow for air to escape, and it'll help when it comes time to take the shells off. I'm gonna lower these eggs in with the spider, that way they don't crack any further. I'll also use the spider to take them back out as well. And you gotta make sure you have a nice ice bath next to you, already ready to go. These guys should go for 6 minutes and not a second longer. Okay, so the timer is almost up on these eggs. Again, we're letting them go for 6 minutes and not any longer, but it did take me some time to get them in there and set the timer. So I'll go ahead and start taking these out right now, even though the timer's about to go off. Right on cue. So there's that. Now, looks like this egg cracked. That's one of the reasons why we have the that hole made on the bottom to try to keep them from cracking. So hopefully it kept its shape. So what we're gonna do is let these sit in the ice bath to stop the cooking process, peel the eggs, and then put them in this broth that we made with the Chashu. So this is the broth from the braised pork belly that we're gonna put into our ramen, as with these ramen eggs. So see you then.